Thank you for supporting the Queen's Indigenous Health Standing Committee to commission a permanent art installation in the Queen's School of Medicine building, conceptualized and created by a local Indigenous artist.
Thank you for ensuring that our future physicians start training in a space that visibly honors the Indigenous peoples and cultures on whose land our university is situated.
We are grateful for your contribution to this student-led initiative to create a visible and assertive demonstration of our dedication to learning, listening, and engagement in reconciliation.
Your contribution also supports Jared Tate, a local Indigenous artist from the Northern Ontario community of Sachigo Lake First Nation, currently living in Peterborough, Ontario.
Thank you for supporting our learners to incorporate art as a symbolic supplement to our broader curricular and scholarly efforts in Indigenous health and community engagement.
We hope this artwork will be a step forward in making Queen's School of Medicine a safe space for future Indigenous students, faculty, and community members.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.